I've been thinking of getting out of the wrecked car business, you know? Ah, my shattered nerves. Oh, this stupid car. Ugh. I'm just getting, I think I'm gonna, yeah. the more I have days like today, I think I'm getting out of this racket altogether. Just, what do I need cars for kicking around, you know? What do I need this stuff for? Does anybody else have this affliction? Do they have this affliction? I seem to have an affliction. Anyway, I struggled with that bottom bolt for a while, and yeah, these pads just don't look good at all. So, what do you think? Ceramic pads, they still got some meat on them. I bet you if I clean those up, that'll be fine. You know, it's just sitting and rusting. That's all it's doing. You know, nature tries to claim back everything. Over time, it will, you know. If you let this car sit here for 200 years, there'd be nothing left of it but a little bit of rubber, you know. Deteriorated rubber. And a smear where the car used to be. Nature will take it back. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, I'm sure there'll be some young guy who wants to just dive right in and work on this car. Yeah, that's just the way it goes. Yeah, it seemed like a really good idea at the time. I didn't pay much for the car at all, not much at all. And I just thought, well, okay, I'll have it. But I've been, you know, a couple of years now, and it's, what am I doing with it? Nothing. It's just a liability, so. Yeah, that's the way it goes, though. I mean, if you're into cars and you do car stuff, and, well, you see a car, you think, oh, well, that's a good deal. I'll get that. Yeah, that's the disease right there. That in a nutshell, that's the disease. Oh, I think, yeah, that looks good. Yeah, it's cheap enough. I'll get that. Yeah, I'll get that and hang on to it. Yeah. Don't need to do that. That needs to be somebody else's hobby, not mine anymore. Okay, so I'm going to put those brakes back together. I've got some gloves, rag, I've got some brake lubricant, some WD-40, and I've cleaned up the pads. There's still a lot of material on them, and they'll be fine for now. That's the back brakes, front brakes. That's the anti-rattle clips for both. And the pins, I got to clean those pins up and lubricate them with that grease. And there's the caps for the end of those pinholes once we get that far. And what I did the other day, I just took a wire brush and I cleaned up the brakes and I cleaned up the calipers. Inside and out, and I primed and painted them. I also took a C-clamp and pushed the pistons back inside. And I did that with all of them. And that will be fine for now. Those brakes will be free and they'll work again. Because they've been, you know, nothing's worse than just brakes sitting around. They'll just seize up, right? So. And I'll show you the other side. Yeah, I did the same here. I didn't leave the caliper hanging on the hose. I got it zip tied up there. You can see it's all been painted. And same here. That one's ready to go back together. Just let me get my gear together and we'll get that done. Okay, we'll start with the set of front pads, the anti-rattle clip, and a couple of pins. Okay, so I'm just going to turn that over. Now this brake lubricant, it's really important. Got the two pads here. The one with the spring on it goes into the caliper. So just put a little bit of that lube on these springs. Okay. A little bit on the back where it touches. So, and we'll put that in there. Like that. Okay. And then the other one, we're going to be lubricating these slides here, top and bottom. But before we do that, we'll just put a little on the back of this one. Like that. You can lubricate these spots right here. Where these slide. A little bit there. And here. A bit there. I like to put a little on both sides, so there, a little bit there, a little bit where it runs up there. If you don't lubricate these, they'll tend to jam up. Okay, and we'll just make sure that the caliper isn't twisting the hose. Okay, so we'll just sit this over here, and that went in there quite well. Now we just got to get the pins in and put a good dose of this brake lubricant on these pins. That. And then in the hole, like that. And same with the other one. And I'll get those started. Nice and snug. Don't have to overdo it. Nice and snug, that's good. Okay, now, because that piston's been pushed back, this isn't going to be tight right now. See, that's going to slide. That's okay. And the first time we use the brakes, that's going to push the piston back out, and it's going to self-adjust after that. And the last step is to put the dust caps in each of these boots. One top and bottom for each one. Okay, that's good. On to the next one. I'm just going to clean that up a little first. can actually put that one on the front here if we want. A little more lube here. That. There. Go in there like this. Okay. Goes like that. Okay, same thing. Bottom pin in. And snug the top one. And that's good. And we put our anti-rattle clip on as well. Same as the other side. All right. Then we'll just put the dust caps in, and that one's done. There we go. And the first time we use the brakes, that piston will come out against the pads, and then from there on it self-adjusts. Okay, and there's another brake completed. Now I've sprayed these rotors, and that'll all evaporate within the first, a few miles. It's just that I wanted to deal with that corrosion that was on there. But that shouldn't hurt anything. Anyway, that's one. And here's the other back one. Now, I have a broken anti-rattle clip. See where it goes into the hole there? That's broken, so I'm gonna have to get another one. But that one's done. And the other front one here. And that one there. Okay, can you just please just go do something else for today? I don't need any help with this. Okay, Uncle Jacques? Okay, you say you don't want my help? You don't want me to help you throw the parts out of the car? Nothing like that? You just want me to wait off to the side there for 2 weeks? Well, or longer? Well, that's okay. It's going to be a couple of weeks. It's a man's choice. You do what you want there with your car. I come all the way over to help you. It's Uncle Jacques here. I'd give it to you easy. It's a man's choice. You can do what you want there, but we'll leave it like that for now. I'm going away now. I'm going to have some coffee. Goodbye.